Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Teufel speaker and I'm going to tell you how to rename your speaker in your iPhone. So at first open settings and now you have to open Bluetooth here. Now click this info icon near your speaker and here tap on name. Here you can add emotes, delete emotes, add text, delete text, etc. As you can see, I can add something, delete something, add emotes, maybe not flags, but for example these hearts. And now we can click done here. Now our speaker is renamed. But what if we want to bring back our name to the default one? We have to enter name back again, click this X button here, and now we have to just click done. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye!